Welcome to Pinnacle Blocks. We are currently going through a digital age, a very fast-moving period where you certainly do not want to be left behind. One of these great disruptive technologies is called blockchain. Blockchain has the power to disrupt existing technologies in the same disruptive way that the internet performed in 1994. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized ledger, a database which is able to provide an entire ledger of all transactions within the entire history of the chain. It achieves this by verifying previous transactions applied to the database to ensure there has been zero manipulation before allowing another input or transaction to be successfully attached as a continuation of the blocks onto the chain. Take Mr. Pink and Mr. Green. Mr. Pink and Mr. Green each have an address to send and receive, a public key and a private key to open their box. Mr. Pink would like to send 10 bitcoins to Mr. Green. Therefore, to complete this transaction, Mr. Pink will send Mr. Green's public key address. Only Mr. Green can accept the transaction because he has both the private key and the public key. Transaction history can be verified from the public key, however, only Mr. Green is able to accept the transaction as he is the only person with both private and public keys. Miners use their computing power to verify previous transactions and to ensure that the trail of transactions is in fact 100% correct. If the previous transactions do not tally up, this will mean there has been a manipulation to the chain of events. Therefore, any new transaction will instantly become void until the chain of events is correct, preventing any corruption in the chain. Miners are rewarded with a tiny amount in compensation for allowing their computer power as a tool to verify previous transactions. This allows transactions to become more secure, much faster, and a lot more cost efficient. These are to name a few, however there are increasing amounts of benefits in applying a blockchain to your organisation. Here at Pinnacle Blocks, we offer blockchain solutions to better increase the efficiency of your operational workflow, in turn saving money and reducing billable hours. For more information, please contact Pinnacle Blocks below.